Hi colleagues, in the last video I took you through the steps of how to convert your lesson plan from Word to Microsoft PowerPoint. I want to believe you've practiced that and you are able to do that on your own now. So let's get started to what we have in this video. Now, to format the text that you have in your lesson plan, we have some things to do. Just as you see in the introduction, we want to learn how to bold our texts. You know, bolding your text in Microsoft PowerPoint is the same with that of Microsoft Word. Alright, so just select what you want to bold and click on bold. You can see that. Alright, so I want to bold this as well. Okay, so just select and click on bold. The same thing goes with italics. Select and click on italics. If I want to underline, I'll do the same and then click on underline. Alright, so that is how to go about that. It's very easy. Alright, now how do I change the font size and the font style? Still the same with that of Microsoft Word. You select and go to this font style here. You click on this small triangle and then you look for the style of your choice. Click on the style of your choice. I want to pick this. Oh, I need to expand this. Alright, so that is that. And I also want to change the style of this text here. Click on this small triangle and then you go down to pick the style of your choice. Alright, I want to use Lucida calligraphy. Okay, so that's that. Now I want to increase this font, so I'll select and click here to increase the font. As you can see, it's increasing. So you pick the right size that you want to use for your lesson plan. Note, you must always use a font style that is very presentable, and also use the size that the pupils can, you know, see clearly or boldly on the screen. Alright, so that is how to do that. Now, how do I add color? I want to add color to this text. Now, first of all, you will select the text and then come to this here where we have capital letter A. You can see what is written there, font color. So you click by this side here and then pick the color you want. Alright, you know, pupils, when you are presenting your lesson content to them and they see various colors, you know, it also contributes to their learning. Okay, so always ensure you use beautiful colors for your texts. Alright, so that is how to do that. Okay, so I can as well do the same for my second slide. Bold, change the font style. Okay, let me use this. Then you can as well change the font style of this also. Okay, so let me use this. Let me increase the font size. This is okay. Alright, so let me change the color of this types of pollution. Let me change it to yellow. I also want to change the style, the size, the color of this as well. Change it to green. I think that's perfect. Alright, so that is how to bold your text, put it in italics, underline, change the font size and style, and also add color to your text. Alright, let me remove the underline here and here as well. Okay, so the next thing is how to add animation to animate your text. This is lovely and very interesting. You know, the children will be so amazed when you are presenting your content to them and then they see the wordings dancing around the screen. You know, it makes learning fun and interesting to them. So I want to add animation to this text I have here. So how do I go about that? First of all, select the text and come to the top of your screen, click on animations. We have various types of animations here, as you can see. So you can pick from the ones we have here, the one that you love to use. Okay, so let me say I want to use this first one, fly in. Can you see that? Float in, split, wipe, shape, wheel, random bars. We have more, grow and turn, zoom, swivel, bounce, and so on. There are still more of these animations. If you want to get more of them, you click on add animations. You can see a lot of them here. Okay, now if you go down here, you will see more entrance effects. This more entrance effect enables give you a various animations for your text to come into the how will I put it now? Let me say into the slide. Let me use that word. So if you click here, you will see a lot of them here. Okay, so if I click on this appear, see what happens. Box, you see what happens. Blinds, checkerboard. I have a lot of them here. If I click on wipe, you see what happens. Okay, spiral. All right, float, boomerang. So you can see there are lots of animations you can choose from. All right, so once you have added the animation, you click on OK. All right, so that is that. Then I want to add animation to this as well. Okay, so let me go to add animation, go to more entrance effects. Let me use flip. Okay, then click OK. Now you see these animations works with time. All right, depends on how fast you want it to be. Okay, now if you look at this, okay, before I take you to how to change the timing of the animation, I think something is appearing here. I have two animations for only one text here, so I need to delete one. So if you want to delete animation, let's say for example you've added an animation to a text and you want to change it, you don't like it, you can click on that text, select the text, then come to animation pan, click on animation pan. Alright, so you have the animations that you have used so far on the right side of your screen. So you can decide on which one you want to delete. If I want to delete the first one, I'll just click on this triangle and then click on remove. So 1 is out, just remaining 1. Okay, so I'm done with that. Then you close it. So that's how to delete animation from text. Now if I want to preview what I've done so far, you come to the left side of your screen and click on preview here, and then you see what happens. Okay, so now to come back to the timing, I want this is duration, which is that's 1 second, or let's say that's 1 minute, I think. Yes. Now if you click here, this also say 1 minute, it says 1 minute. I want to reduce it to 50 seconds. All right, so I'm done with that. Let me preview. Can you see that? Isn't it lovely? The children will be so excited when they see this kind of thing on their screen, and it will also contribute to their learning. So this is how far we can go in this video. We've learned how to bold, to italics, underline, change font size and style, add color to text, and add animation to text. In the next video, we will continue with the training. Thank you.